How to disable a price alert in BingX. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how you can turn off or disable a price alert or a price warning on BingX. If you want to stop receiving a specific alert that you previously set or stop alert notifications on BingX, follow through the steps. First of all, launch open the BingX application on your device and log in. From the home page of BingX, go to the Markets tab at the bottom of the screen and select the trading pair where you set the price alert. After you select the trading pair, go to the top right corner and tap the bell icon. Now I have set an alert for this trading pair over here. In order to delete the alert or the price alert, go ahead and look for the alert from the bottom of the screen and tap on it. And then go to the top right and look for the trash icon. Click on it and you'll be able to delete the specific price alert. Once you do that, you'll be able to turn off the price alert right away. So that is how it's super easily done. If the video was helpful to you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.